Hi there. Bidetia. Get it? Bidet. Bidetia. Hey everyone, and Bidetia, mate. We're in a different part of the office today because we're going to do something a little bit different. We're in the reception area. You've got my awesome looking Legos here. But what's the real star of this show? It's going to be in this box. Let's do an unboxing. Yeah! Today we're making history. It's 2025 and we are combining an unboxing with a bottom end channel. Yeah, that's right. I never thought those things would go together. I am Dr. Chung. I am your friendly proctologist. I'm a board certified colon and rectal surgeon here in Orange County, California, USA. And today I want to tell you how much I appreciate you guys telling me about things that I never knew about or really understood. And this bidet thing, just like the laser thing, okay? I'm gonna try it out. This is my first time using this thing and I want to know what you guys are all talking about. And you're like saying, Dr. Chung, oh my God, OMG, you are so slow. You know, we thought you only talk slow, but man, you're slow up here too. And like, yeah, I admit it, you're right.
You're right.
You know, but to be honest, the bidet thing, initially, it kind of grossed me out. Like, I don't understand it. I kind of don't want to even try it. But you guys are telling me, tell your patients to stop wiping. You, Dr. Chung, should stop wiping. And so I want to try it. Let's give it a shot. And what pushed me over is there's a bunch of different companies that have reached out to me with similar products in mind. But the one company here that is now working with us and is sponsoring this video is manybidets.com. They are a family-run business in Michigan. And you know what they pride as number one, their biggest discerning factor, and what makes them stand out is their customer service, right? They have a full line of products for you to use, tons of bidets, some of these literally like $20,000, okay? That's how extensive their product line is. But what do? They want to find the right product for you. So I literally sent them photos of my toilet, sans poop of course, clean water. But I sent them what I needed for fitment. I told them what features I'd like on it. They told me what features are possible, and we came up with this guy. And guess what? I talked to a real person on the phone. And that's the type of people that I want to bring to your attention. I want to present to you. I want people and companies like this to survive. People that are willing to put out their hand and extend a real helpful product to you with great customer service. And so I hope that you guys check them out, manybidets.com, and we're going to get along with starting with this unboxing. If you've never seen a bidet before, check this out with me and let's see what's included in this. Future videos are coming, like a review of this thing. Another video is I'm gonna install it, probably with a lot of fails are coming up. I don't know, we'll see. I'm like this much handy, you know? So we're gonna do a lot of things with this because hey, this is new and I wanna take you on this journey with me. So let's do that. Okay, so let's look at the panels of this box. What does it say? What model did I get? Well, I got the Nova bidet, the Eco Nova. And what they were telling me with this special bidet is that it has a lot of features that you're probably gonna want, Dr. Chung. We wanna give you a product that's gonna have a broad range so that you can let people know what was helpful, what was not helpful, and give your honest review.
Honestly?
So this particular feature has lots of amenities on it. It's got a seat warmer, okay? It's got a night light. It has water jet, of course it's a bidet, but it has strength or pressure adjust. It has temperature of that water adjust. It has a blow dryer on it with a temperature and of course a strength of the fan adjust on here, and so many other things that we're gonna go through with this. But that's why I want to try it. So it's like, I want the full bidet experience. I want to know what is good and what's going to help people figure out what they need. So the panels of the box are pretty simple here. Nice Eco Nova. Not much description on here. It says it's fragile, I think. Don't step on it. It's fragile, right? Don't step on the box. And, oh, looks like the opening is on the other side, so let's open that up here. Let's take a look at this thing.
Let me open this.
Once again, if you guys have questions about this bidet, feel free to ask me or call up manybidets.com and ask them. See what they can supply for you, what will work for your situation. And we've got a nice, styrofoam packing, okay. All right, because it arrived very safely to me. This is the box that it shipped in. I mean, and the corners of this thing are very rigid. This is how nerdy I am with packaging.
Holy crap, are we nerdy?
You know, if the box survives and it doesn't have much damage, then that's a good thing, because I don't want a broken bidet. But let's open this thing up right here. So, we got an electric cable. Let's just slide this whole thing out. Here we go.
Nice and easy.
Oh, hello. What looks to be like a remote control. Check it out, guys. Look at this remote control. Let's take it out piece by piece. We got this, and we're gonna open this whole thing up. And got some more additional accessory type stuff here. And that's all we got in the box. We got a few things, let's run through it. Okay, so if we take apart this styrofoam, taking out all these pieces, looks like another kind of copper painted piece. Looks like we got some hardware here. We got some piping going on here. So let's unwrap the bidet. Oh, cool, very nice. Very cool. So this plug is, it's like it's permanently attached to the bidet itself. We've got the top cover here. Nice, shiny, smooth finish. This is pretty much exactly what my toilet is made. The feel is exactly the same. And then when we open it up here, this is what we're gonna be sitting on, right? Yeah, this is probably the nozzle right here. Yeah, there's a little tiny cover that you can flip up here. Here's the bidet nozzle. And this is the unit that's gonna sit on our toilet, I would imagine. And here, it's got a little sticker that says sensor on it here. It's got a very nice contour on the seat itself. And it's a little bit thinned out right here. I guess that's gonna be important when I sit on it. We'll have to find out, huh? But it's a very nice finish here. When you put the cover on, it's actually got a slow, look at that. Slow closing so it doesn't bang on your toilet seat, huh? That's a really cool feature.
Cool.
So what about this guy? Oh yeah, that is hot right there. And then we can try and slam it shut. Of course it won't slam shut. But yeah, that's very nice. Okay, so if we look at the side panel here, we've got some buttons. We've got one button here, it says power. And the other one here says auto, which I'm not sure what that means yet. We've got a pipe inlet here, and we have the power cord. The back of this is very simple. Looks very easy to clean too, right? Isn't that gonna be important? Because that's my number one thing, is how sanitary are these things. It's very clean, very smooth. Not a lot of spaces or holes where things can get trapped, right? I imagine that's maybe important with these things. On the other side of the bidet, very streamlined, and then it says Nova on the top here. Very nice. So the bidet itself, definitely not too heavy. It's probably maybe like 6 pounds, 5-6 pounds. And very generous size cover here. My toilet bowl is a bit oval shaped. It's kind of like oval shaped like that. And so if you imagine this thing was here to sit on it, I think that's why they recommended this toilet bowl, because it kind of mimics the shape. So that's really cool. Let's look at the other pieces of this. Let's check out this remote control, okay? Let's open it up here. This remote control here has got multiple different functions on it, okay? And the feeling, this is metal on the outside here. Yeah, very nice construction. The buttons are plastic. And if you can hear that on my microphone. Yeah, very nice tactile feel. This got some LED lights at the top. I'm assuming to kind of tell you what function you're using, but we've got a front wash. We've got a posterior wash. Auto clean, I'm not sure if that's clean for you or for the bidet machine. We have a drying function, water pressure, like I said, up or down. nozzle position. I didn't tell you about that one. So this one, it must extend or retract to give you different spraying positions depending on what your body shape is, right? We've got seat temperature as well too. So it looks like there's some adjustment there. And of course temperature for water, the air, and the seat. So very cool. Night light. We've got H/C massage. That must mean like hot, cold massage. I wonder what that is. So very cool remote. This thing is very well built. You probably don't want to drop this on the toilet, or not on the toilet, but also on the floor, because this has got some decent weight to it. This is not some flimsy piece of junk. And I'm assuming that this piece here, because they're the same colors. Oh yeah, look at that. It's a stand for your remote. So that's very cool to stow it away. You don't want to lose this remote. And plus, yeah, you don't want to drop it either. So very cool. So I guess you can mount this to your wall or wherever. Other pieces we've got, looks like a braided pipe here. This probably one end probably goes to the toilet itself. I'm going to show you how I install it at home, so we'll make good use of this. Looks like this has some instructions. Yeah, so it's some installation pieces here. I'm not sure what this is quite used for yet. Good plastic. And there we go. So instructions, how to use it. Parts, installation requirements, power requirements. We're going to be following these instructions here, guys. So we're going to use these instructions to get this bidet installed in no time flat. Very excited to put this on, guys. And then we've got some additional hardware in here, so let's check these out. We have a battery. I'm not sure, this is probably for the remote. Yeah, there's a battery slot for the back. We've got a T type of piping here, so we can put things together. Oh, some brackets. And then we have some type of rubber grommet type of tools here, which, yeah, we'll figure out what these are for later on. Overall, very impressed with the product here.
Very impressive.
I mean, I'm really, really excited to put this on for sure. Wanted to definitely know what you guys are talking about with this whole bidet experience, and I'm excited about this. This looks like a really solid product. Knocking on it, it's not hollow, it feels solid. This is not some cheap piece of junk. This is really nice. Oh, look at that, there's a precaution label on here. I probably want to keep that on for my own safety since I'm not that handy, but
Safety is first.
I can't wait to get this thing installed and find out what you guys are all talking about. Thank you so much to Many Bidets. Thank you for being a new sponsor in 2025 and keeping this community healthier and keep this community growing. If you're interested in knowing more about them, just go to the website www.manybidets.com. Check out their extensive catalog and definitely give them a call. Find out if there's anything that they can help you with your issues. On their website, they'll tell you that they've heard every single story of people suffering with their bottom ends. I love it. You know, they know their customers well, and they know how to help people that come after that, right? That's learning. That's a business that's constantly evolving and there for people who are having issues. Love that. Give them a shout, give them a call, and I wish you the best. Wish me luck on the installation of this guy. And bidet to your mates and matettes. Bye.